Hello dear students, how are you? Stay safe, stay at home. Today we are going to study a topic about half-wave rectifier circuit. So in this video, we will learn the objectives of this circuit, which is used in electronics, which is a very basic circuit and it's very important. In previous lecture, we have learned about diode. Let's have a look at this component about the process of diode, how it works. That the diode allows the flow of current in one direction, in the forward direction, and it blocks the current in the reverse direction. Now this is the property of the diode, which is very useful in certain applications. And one such application in which the diode is used as AC to DC conversion. Now the process of converting the AC signal into DC voltages is known as a rectification, and the circuit which is used for this process, means rectification, is known as a rectifier circuit. Now dear students, we categorize our rectifiers into two types: half-wave rectifiers, and the second type is known as full-wave rectifiers. But in today's lecture, we studied half-wave rectifier circuits. So here you will see when the negative half cycle passes through the half-wave rectifier circuit, what the half-wave rectifier circuit will do. It will blocks the half-wave negative cycle of the sinusoidal signal. So it means that the half-wave rectifier circuit only allows the positive half cycle and rejects the negative half cycle. So at the output side of after the half-wave rectifier circuit, you will see that we applied AC signal at the input side, and after passing through the half-wave rectifier circuit, what we will find pulsating DC. So this is the output pulsating pulses. This is output pulsating pulses. These are at the positive side. These are positive output pulsating DC. Similarly, it is also possible to get this type of output signal with the half-wave rectifier, where the half-wave rectifier circuit completely blocks the positive half cycle and allows the negative half cycle to pass through it, and due to this, the only negative half cycle will appear at the output side, that is the pulsating DC, which is the same as like the before we have shown in the positive half cycle. So the half-wave rectifier circuit can allow only one cycle at the time. So dear students, in this way the half-wave rectifier circuit converts the AC signal into pulsating DC. Now what will happen at the output side, the positive half cycle will completely appears at the output side, and the negative half cycle is rejected by the half wave rectifier circuit.